the photos.
Show me.
It's moving my feet as soon as it drops. So you can try to fight it, but that music don't stop.
We can make it even better.
Ooh, send me that.
You should post that.
Let me try something. Look at mine.
Oh, cute. Stop. That's hilarious.
I'm gonna take a break.
Sure.
Look at this menu. What should we order?
Let's narrow this down. What is this? Pierogi? Did I pronounce that right?
It's pronounced pierogi, a tasty dish like dumplings.
Any sides to pair with it? Something light?
In the mood for fresh, the beet salad would be a good choice.
Sounds good.
You off work yet?
Guys, I'm done.
Finally.
All right, you ready? Ready?
Let's go, come on.
What's this noise?
Oh. Wait, one more thing. Look at this ice cream drop. Still worth it.